Are you ready for your April 2025 SASSA payment? Wait, before we dive into the payment dates, there's an urgent update that could affect how and when you receive your grant. Stick around to ensure you don't miss out. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Made Simple, your trusted source for all SASSA and grant-related news. Today, we're covering two crucial topics: the upcoming payment dates for April 2025 and the urgent need to replace your SASSA Gold Card before the looming deadline. Urgent reminder: replace your SASSA Gold Card. First things first, time is running out to replace your SASSA Gold Card with the new Postbank Black Card. The final deadline is March 20th, 2025. After this date, your Gold Card will be deactivated and you won't be able to access your grants. Why replace your card? Access issues. Post-March 20, Gold Cards will be inactive, meaning no ATM withdrawals, retail purchases, or balance inquiries. Limited service points. There's a shortage of Postbank service points, especially in certain regions, making it challenging to replace your card. What you need to do: locate a replacement venue. Find your nearest Postbank card replacement center by visiting the official Postbank Facebook page or dial the code. Visit in person. Go to the identified venue with your current Gold Card, not necessary though, and valid identification. Be prepared for possible long queues due to high demand. Stay safe. Beware of scams. Scammers are targeting beneficiaries during this transition. Never share your PIN or personal details with anyone. Always verify you're dealing with official Postbank representatives. SASSA payment dates for April 2025. Now let's talk about the payment dates for April 2025. While exact dates can vary, here's a general guideline based on previous schedules. Older Persons Grant, Wednesday, 2nd April 2025, and all grant linked to the account. Disability Grant, Thursday, 3rd April 2025, and all grants linked to the account. Children's Grant, Friday, 4th April 2025. Important notes: bank processing times. Even after SASSA releases the funds, it might take 1 to 3 business days for the money to reflect in your account, depending on your bank. Stay updated. Always check official SASSA communications or visit their website for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Act quickly. With the March 20 deadline fast approaching, prioritize replacing your Gold Card to ensure uninterrupted access to your grants. Secure your information. Protect your card and personal details. Report any suspicious activity immediately to Postbank or local authorities. Stay informed. Regularly check SASSA's official channels for updates on payment dates and other important announcements. That's all for today's update. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow beneficiaries. Have questions or need assistance with the card replacement process? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help.